until 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:40 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles south of Stone Bluff, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Expected hazards include half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations in or near the path include Broken Arrow, Wagoner, Pryor, Kih27, Pryor Creek, Shoto, Haskell, Inola, Locust Grove, Salina, Porter, Stone Bluff, Sportsman Acres Community, Oneida, Redbird, Maisie, Snowdale State Park, Leonard, Murphy, Cosca. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The current time is 6:53 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6 p.m., at the Tulsa International Airport, drizzle and fog were reported. The temperature was 46, dew point 45, relative humidity 96%. The wind was southeast at 7.